Champion birds. All birds have some special qualities, and all of them are champions in some or the other way. Let's learn about champion birds. 1. Hummingbird is the smallest bird in the world. It can fly backwards. 2. Peregrine falcon is the fastest diving and also the fastest flying bird on the planet. 3. Ostrich is the tallest and largest bird in the world. It cannot fly, but it runs faster than a horse. 4. Woodcock is the slowest flying bird with the pace of only 8 km per hour. 5. Kakapo is the largest and heaviest parrot. It cannot fly,